Today we will be heading to one of the most iconic walks in the Lake District, Coniston Old Man. This is, in my opinion, one of the best hikes in the Lake District, and a mountain that's very prominent from many places. I have previously climbed this a few times, but not for many years, and at 803 metres this will be the highest peak I've climbed in quite a while. There are a few routes to the summit, but we took the low water route, which is shorter but steeper. We started at Walner Scar Car Park and followed a clear, gentle path for quite a while. With views of the old copper mines in the distance. Before the landscape changes to slate and rubble and the steep ascent starts. The path you take is the old road for the now disused slate mines. Where you can still see cables, machinery and remains of buildings. Coniston Old Man has a slate mining history dating back to the 12th century, and the summit was used as a warning beacon for emergencies. When you reach the summit, you're rewarded with spectacular views of the length of Coniston water, many of the lakeland fells, and a ridgeline towards Brimfell and Swirlhow, beckoning you to keep walking on. We were short on time, so we had to take a short route down through grassy plains. But the ice cream van at the car park was a welcome sight before heading home.